Alright y'all, out doing some testing tuning. So I got the DTS set up. I brought a few rigs. Next week is the main event. Just want to see what my rigs is doing, make sure they dialed in, then they'll be sitting on the shelf waiting on the event. Alright, let's see what she's doing. Just want to see where she at. I'm gonna have to, do my tweaks, but ooh, first pass of the day. That's bad. Alright, let's see if we can tighten that up, y'all. Try to burn these tires out even though they don't need to. I'm gonna just try and see what happens. See if I get a better rundown. Not bad. Wasn't a bad pass. 2.8. A few more passes in with this and then we bring something else out. Might need to do a little tuning on this. That was a good pass. I think I red lighted though. Not sure. Yeah, that was a good pass. Alright guys, did a few little tweaks. Do 2 more passes. See if I can beat my last number I just ran and go from there. Hit that bottle cap, then I popped the tire. Alright y'all, we're gonna test the tune of XTM. I did a little tweaks to it. See what she hitting like. It's all over the place though. I was doing that. Steer out to it. Alright y'all, we're gonna get a quick pass on with the RS4. I ain't really do no changes to it because she do her thing. Woo! We got that DR10 on foam. That thing hitting off the line. That thing hit. Whoa. Bring it back, bring it back. Got that DR10 out here. We got it on foam. Let's see what it do. That was a nice pass. Nice pass. Let's see what she did with no foams. 2-4? Nice. Ay.
Andrew, my man here.
How's it going, man? Chilling?
¿Qué pasa?
You see him, right? He's coming for you. See, my man just made it here.
Yeah.
Joel got a Typhoon now. Oh, nice save, bye-bye.
Coño, loco.
Give it gas.
Oh my God, qué rápido.
Nice save. Italian versus Typhoon. Oh, Joel took their win, nice and easy. No! Woo! Woo! Yo! Yo! You red light? Down when it hit green, then you go.
Let go.
Go.
Mira, let go, y se fue. Tiene que ser un macho y otro.
The brother versus sister right there.
No, vete.
That's it. Get him, get him. Our first official race versus the Typhoon. Yeah. 2S. He brushed. I think he brushless. Nice run, Carlos.
Bueno. ¿Eso ya la compré? Él me la dio así. ¡Me gané, mami! ¡Yeah! Ahí está. ¿Qué? ¿No se queda pegar?
Not working on me? What happened here?
Putting on 75.
Yeah. What happened? He was still standing.
asleep. He falls asleep. I got to asleep. I'll connect the battery though. He not connect the battery. He doesn't connect the battery.
Oh, forgot to connect the battery, bro? Hey. Whoa.
Winning.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
I had my steering too high. I was over there overcorrecting it. And he red lighted. And he red lighted.
Now he got you, bro.
Whoa.
Arrancó bien, arrancó.
No. What it's all about, baby. Testing. Yeah. It's all good. That's what it's about. Nice run. Nice run. I mashed the brake right as soon as I hit the fucking.
Now you got it.
Oh, that's
Ooh, man, that was good one.
Yeah, that's fine.
That was really good one.
Me hiciste más ahora. 1.9, mira. 1.8. Omar, 1.8, 80 millas.
Nice.
¿En la calle?
He on foam tire, y'all. That's the DR10.
No, porque si, Dacho, no.
Ah, mira. Abusa con él, dale. Abusa
Oye,
con
bueno,
él.
pero en la calle no, cabrón. En la calle me puedes dejar por encima. Vete, vamos por aquí.
Oh. They both on rubber stock tires. Joel gave up. Yo.
Ay, cabrón. Oiga, no.
Let's see what they ran on them rubber tires. Two. Too far. The track is wet, man. I got a little water right there. I'm not sure we'll be able to run. Man, that was a nice pass. Ooh, put that thing to work just now.
Come on, again.
He tight.
You know, you guys start slowly, you guys start again.
This 6S, right?
Yeah.
Coming 2S.
Right now, no, 2S.
2S. You want to show you?
No.
I should. 2S. 2S. Either of them with 2S. Let's get it, Carlo. Yeah. Let's get it. Oh, he nearly took me out at the end. He tried. He tried. Oh, I still like losing to this street eliminator here. Got that giant on 6S, and I'm on 2S, putting in that work. There you go. Oh, look at him.
Come on.
Street eliminator running, boy. Need some more speed, but she running. Alright, y'all. You got that little Ventero over there. Put in some work on that temp scale. Oh, we got a jumper. I'm gonna let you live.
Let's go, guys.
Oh, nice run. You got.
Hacho, yo no tengo break para esa mierda.
That was a good.
I told you.
That street eliminator stayed down, baby. We're gonna get one more in with the street eliminator. So far, so good. I don't know where I gotta go with this.
¿Sí?
Oh shit.